Welcome back to CloudForge. In this video, you'll learn the three cloud service models, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, along with simple real-world examples. Let's get started. SaaS, or Software as a Service, allows you to use software over the internet without managing servers or infrastructure. Examples include Gmail, Zoom, 365, and Netflix. Imagine you want to use Microsoft Word. Traditionally, you would install the software on your laptop, configure it, and manually install updates whenever a new version is released. With SaaS, simply open Microsoft 365 in your browser and start working instantly. No installation, no server management, and no updates. Everything is managed by the service provider. AWS also offers software as a service application. Examples include Amazon QuickSight for business analytics, Amazon Workspaces for cloud desktops, and Amazon AppStream 2.0 for application streaming. AWS also provides Amazon Connect for cloud contact centers. These fully managed SaaS applications, AWS handles the servers, operating systems, updates, and maintenance. That's how SaaS works. You simply use the application, the cloud provider manages everything behind the scenes. In the next video, we'll explore Platform as a Service, or PaaS. See you there. Platform as a Service provides a complete platform for developing, testing, deploying, and managing applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. Traditionally, developers install operating systems, web servers, and databases manually. With PaaS, they simply write code and deploy their applications. AWS offers Platform as a Service through services like AWS Elastic Beanstalk, AWS Lambda, App Runner, ECS with Fargate, making application deployment faster and easier. AWS Lambda is one of the PaaS services offered by AWS. It is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without managing servers. PaaS helps developers build applications faster, reduces infrastructure management, enables automatic scaling, and simplifies deployment and maintenance. That's how Platform as a Service works. Developers focus on writing code while the cloud provider manages the platform. In the next video, we'll explore Infrastructure as, or IaaS. Welcome back to CloudForge. In this video, we'll learn about Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, and understand how it provides virtual infrastructure on demand. Infrastructure as a Service provides virtual machines, storage, networking, and other infrastructure resources over the internet. You can provision them on demand and pay only for what you use. Traditionally, companies purchase physical servers, storage, and networking equipment. With IaaS, you simply launch virtual infrastructure in the cloud within minutes. AWS offers Infrastructure as a Service through services like Amazon EC2, Amazon EBS, Amazon VPC, Elastic Load Balancer, and Amazon EFS. Imagine you're launching a website. Using AWS IaaS, you create an EC2 instance, attach an EBS volume, configure a VPC, and deploy your application within minutes. AWS IaaS provides complete infrastructure control, on-demand resource provisioning, high availability, scalability, flexibility, and pay-as-you-go pricing. That's how Infrastructure as a Service works. AWS provides the infrastructure, while you manage the operating system and applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AWS, Linux, and DevOps tutorials. See you in the next session.